Keep scrolling if you enjoy disgusting, repulsive, and putrid earwax deep inside your ear.
Today, I learned something new. Q-tips aren't meant for ear cleaning. In fact, there's a warning right on the box advising against inserting them into your ears. The reason behind this is that Q-tips can actually push wax further into your ears, leading to wax buildup. This realization led me to purchase the Fluffera ear cleaner, which boasts a small camera for real-time inspection during cleaning. It easily connects to your phone, enabling you to see everything with the built-in camera as you clean. Right now, they're offering a fantastic 50% discount and free shipping for their anniversary sale, making it an ideal time to grab one.
Hi everyone, my name is Sardar Shizad Khan and I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. Dear audience, I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and you will get the notification of all my video. If you want to buy any gadgets you have watched in the video, you have to click on the link given in the description. By clicking the link, you will directly go to the site. Visit the site, check all the varieties of the stock and pick the one you like to buy. And this way you can also buy the gadgets and enjoy to use it. Thank you.